Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Ford F-250 door keypad. This feature allows you to lock and unlock your truck using a personalized 5-digit code, offering great convenience. Whether you've misplaced your keys or simply want easier access, setting up your own code is a straightforward process. We will cover locating your truck's original factory code and then walk through the simple steps to create your unique entry code. Before you can set a personal code, you need your truck's original 5-digit factory code. This crucial code is often found on a wallet-sized card within your owner's manual. If that's not available, look for a sticker on the body control module. This module is typically located behind the passenger side kick panel, requiring a quick removal of the panel to view the sticker. Now let's program your personal code. First, enter the factory 5-digit code on your door keypad. Within 5 seconds, press the 1-2 button. Next, enter your chosen new 5-digit personal code. Remember to enter each digit within 5 seconds of the last. Finally, press the 1-2 button one more time to save your new code. The doors will then lock and unlock, confirming successful programming. After programming, always test your new personal code right away to confirm it functions as expected. Simply enter your new 5-digit code and verify the doors unlock. It's also wise to keep your original factory code in a secure place, like your owner's manual, for future reference. You can actually program up to 5 different personal codes, offering flexibility for family members or trusted individuals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.